time. For today, I'll be wearing the Kobe 4 Pro undefeated. Hey guys, so before we get started with today's vlog, I just wanted to say my condolences to Kobe Bryant's family, the whole Lakers organization, and to all the fans all around the world. For today, sama ko kayo sa vlog. It's a very chill vlog. Papunta lang tayo sa BGC. So we're about to have my sneakers cleaned. I was able to save and find some of my sneakers nung college ako, yung mga Kobe pairs ko. And there are actually some stores in BGC that are offering free services for cleaning ng mga Kobe sneakers. So, ayun guys, sama ko kayo. Let's go. Peace. Okay, so we just got to BGC and I have my pairs with me. Ayan. And I believe the name of the store that offers free cleaning is Ethan Cash. And ayun na siya. It's along High Street sa may Nike, sa may Soul Academy, kung saan area yun. And yeah, update you guys kung papalinis natin yung pairs. Let's go. Here sa Ethan Cash and I'm about to drop off some of the pairs that I have. Ano yung promo nyo, ate?
Promo?
Yeah, ano yung promo nyo for Kobe?
Free cleaning for Kobe.
Yeah.
Para kay Kobe Bryant.
Yeah, one pair per person, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Ayan, one pair per person, guys. So, I'm about to drop off one pair right here. And let's check.
Vlogger si Sir.
So, ito, dala-dala ko. I have some of the pairs that I use for ball all the time. I have the Kobe AD, the DeMar DeRozan PE, and it's really dirty. So yan, papalinis natin kaya ate.
How many yung Kobe mo?
Tatlo to ate.
Okay. Baka iniisip mo, one person, one shoes, no?
Oh. So, tong tatlong pairs pwede ko palinis? Ayun pala eh, solid. Kasi I was planning to...
One pair lang, one pair only.
Actually, one pair lang plano ko palinis kasi may iba pang stores na dapat i-visit natin tomorrow. But si ate, pinagbigyan tayo. Tatlong pairs pwede natin palinis.
Naman pumunta ka pa sa ibang branch.
So,
para naman
yeah.
Pinahirapan kita
Let's
ng
go.
Sir.
Thank you. So, ito nga again. First pair, we have the Kobe AD, DeMar DeRozan PE. And papalinis natin. What else? So, my Kobe 9s, the gray colorway. Dami namin sa school, same pair na ito dati. And yes. Tapos lastly, I believe this is the Kobe 11 or Kobe 10. I'm not really sure, pero this is the cheaper version which I got sa outlet for around $30 to $40 lang.
Kobe 10 yan, Sir.
Kobe 10 daw, sabi ni ate. Ayan, so papalinis natin. Let's go. I'm just about to leave my babies here at Ethan Cash. I'm about to pick them up next week, Feb 7. So, ayun guys. See you next week. Peace. So yun na nga guys, just dropped off my pairs over at Ethan Cash right there. And I'm about to pick them up next week, Feb 7. But yeah, unfortunately, I won't be able to play with them tomorrow. That was my initial plan. That lalaro ko yung mga Kobe's ko. Pero, ayun guys, I'm not complaining kasi free cleaning. Big shout out to Ethan Cash here in BGC. If you guys are looking for them, nandito sila sa may ROX banda sa may Speedo. There's just a small pop-up over here along High Street. So make sure to visit them, guys. And yeah, update you guys next week. Peace. Hey guys, so today's finally the next week. Today start ng season namin for basketball for LSAL, which is like the biggest basketball league sa DLSU. And yeah, first time ko sasali as an alumni. And yeah, for Kobe, Mamba Mentality, sama ko kayo. Let's go. Peace. Okay, so we just got to school. Dito tayo sa parking ngayon. Sa 7th floor yung basketball court. Let's get it. So we just got our jerseys. Second game pa kami. First game is already starting here in Razon. And let's get it. Dito na siya. Yeah. Cheerleader. It's almost time for today. I'll be wearing the Kobe 4 Pro Chrome Undefeated for the game. Baby, double overtime win. The job done, baby. Let's go. So the game just finished nga. Ayan, gulo ng buko. Nag-shower ako sa school. We have Bianca right here. Thanks for being my cheerleader for today. And yeah guys, sobrang nakakapagod. Double overtime. It was ugly but we got the job done. Sabi nga nila, di ba, Mamba Mentality. Lalo na kung clutch moments. Kita mo yan. For the time. Kobe. So ngayon papunta kami sa BGC sa Fort kasi nga we're about to pick up yung pairs ko na pinalinas last week, kaya na-delay rin tong vlog na to. It's because of that. I didn't know na ganun katagal yun, pero ano, magre-reklamo pa ba ako? Libreng deep clean for my Kobe's. Ayun guys, so ngayon traffic here. See you guys there. Peace. Hey guys, so we just made it here sa BGC and yeah, we're about to pick up my pairs of Kobe's na deep clean. And sana ba na itsura? Sana maging ano ba maganda? Sana maging Kobe 1 81 point game na Kobe 1. Kobe 1 yan. And actually today rin yung release ng Jordan 185. Yung limited to 23,000 pairs. So mamaya tatakbo tayo sa Titan kasi maghahanap tayo ng mga resellers na nagbebenta kasi I want my pair which is in a size 9. So hopefully may magbenta ng medyo okay yung price kasi ngayon nasa 50,000 siya. So ito guys, we're here na sa Ethan Cash. Let's get my pair. Okay, so unfortunately hindi pa raw ready pero around mga 7 PM later sana nandyan na. Ipapalala move ata nila from their other branch kasi medyo marami daw nagpalinas ng Kobe's kasi nga libre. So ayun, mamaya update namin kayo. Ngayon iikot na kami sa may Titan. Hopefully may pairs na may pairs tayo makuha ng Jordan 1 85. And yeah, sa separate vlog namin yun if ever may makuha kami. Let's go. Here we go guys, finally got it. Thank you to the reseller that sold the pair to me. And so yeah, review coming soon. finally picked up the pairs from Ethan Cash after about a week. And guys, I should have played the clip before this part of the video, yung before and after netong cleaning ng pairs. And yeah, super approved, super ganda ng pagkagawa, sobrang linis, good as new. And yeah, can't wait to ball in these. So again guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. And yeah, see you guys on the next one. Peace, Mamba out. Peace.
Something that she like to do.